This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Doug Nesbit. Move to the shores of Lake Samish. Private sunny lakefront home on 1 acre on quiet dead-end street. Home has been beautifully tastefully remodeled recently. Open floor plan and design. Master on the main floor. Gourmet kitchen. 2 fireplaces. This 5-bedroom, 4-bath home will give the next owner the waterfront home lifestyle of dreams. Big sunny yard, dock, garden space and plenty of RV/boat parking spaces. Cool wooded trails too. Possible to create mill downstairs. 10 minutes to Fairhaven. For more information, review the details below.